Okay, we continue the curve tool, and I want to explain make periodic. What is this? Make periodic is the first for closed curve and closed surface, and remove the kink from that. For example, as you can see in this from that curve or surface, if you select it, as you can see, we have a kink here. It's a broken line, but you think it's smooth. Here you can simply, for example, going to the top, but it changes the shape of the two curves. You can select it. You can select the curve or surface near to edge. Make periodic. Select it. Here you can smooth it yes or smooth it no. Yes, I want to smooth it. Delete input yes. And as you can see, it make a periodic. And you can change it smoothly. But it changes the shape of the radius, the circle. Here we have another surface that has a kink on it. For example, if you select these control points and move them, as you can see, you have a brick and face here. You can remove the kink from these shapes. You can select the tool, then select the surface and right click. Sorry. Yeah. And here we remove these kinks from there, and all of these control points are now smoothly you can change without any kink. Okay, so this tool is for safe surface. It's better for surface, don't forget it. Another tool is close open curves. It's very simple. If you have a curve, it's close it. For example, close the curve. You can select it and then close it. Done. It's very easy and straightforward. Select the open curve to close. Here you close curve with a line, or close wide gap with a line, yes or no, or you can change the tolerance if you want. Escape it. If you, for example, active this tool, this close wide gap lines, yes, this is our tolerance, the limit of that. If, for example, the line are smaller than the tolerance, it's leave it open. Another tool here is a continue control point curve. For example, if you draw a control point curve or interpolate curve that you know, you can continue the drawing with this tool. It's useful. Continue the control point curve with left click or with the right click. You can continue with the interpolate point. This is interpolate point, as you can see, or control point. Let me show it. Select it, and as you can see, it's you click. Your click is control point, and then the curve will be happen. Oh, sorry. It is in its settings. It is closed. You can yes, no, change it to no to make it open, or you can right click on this tool, and as you can see, this is an interpolate. Your click is exactly on a body of the curve, so you can continue your drawing and then close it. If you want to close with a sharp angle like this, close, boom. No, no, close, no. It's automatically close it. For example, if you select a tool, it suddenly closes. But if you right click and continue, if you right click to the end, it's close this tool for you. But it's not close, no. Right click again, and before close, yeah, and right click to automatically close it. If you continue this tool and set it to sharp, yes, if you close it, it's close this point with a kink, not smooth. Okay, so the curve, no, as you can see, it does not work for a closed curve. It's just work for open care. And here you can see, sharp yes or sharp no, or undo that you can. That's easy. But it is useful if you want to continue your drawing, you can use it. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.